Hello everyone, welcome to Hindi Vidya. I am your teacher Vaishali. On this channel, I just don't teach you how to speak Hindi. Also, I share synonyms and the expressions we use in daily conversation. Before diving into Hindi, we have to know about where it come from. Many people ask when we see Hindi, Urdu, Persian words in my language, are these really Hindi? Let's go back in a time. Long ago, Sanskrit was the main language of India. It's a mother of Hindi also. After a long time, Sanskrit became Pali in a Buddha periods. After that, Pali became Prakrit. Prakrit mostly used in Magadha region and Buddha or Mahavir periods. Then came Apabhransha, spoken in mainly northern India. Slowly it turns into Old Hindi and eventually into modern Hindi, which we speak today. So today's we speaking refined Abhransh Hindi. No language become perfect in a day. First people speak in local language, then it is spread and become a language. Hindi is India's official language, but the language we use in official work and government work is more formal and different. We speak in real life. In daily life, we use simple words or simple sentences. Now think about it. If we have simple words or sentences, why would we choose tough and difficult sentences? That's why when I teach you Hindi, my main focus is the language we speak daily in conversation, not textbook style Hindi. Different states of India speak different kind of Hindi. Even in one state it changes. Right now there are 22 official language in India. In India, Hindi have many types. First, standard Hindi, Manak Hindi, literature Hindi, official Hindi, regional Hindi. Standard Hindi is Khadi Boli, Khadi Hindi, which we speak right now, or its main origin is Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I was born in a place where people speak Avdi, very sweet and polite dialects. People just say like आप लीजिए, आप खाइए in a very respectful way. Now let's understand Hindi words. Don't worry, I will make it simple. Hindi has 4 types words, but we will learn only one type. Origin based, उत्पत्ति के आधार पर. It has 5 types words. First, तत्सम, तद्भव, देशज, विदेशी and संकर शब्द. Let's start with तत्सम words. Words taken directly from Sanskrit called tatsam shabd. For example, Yamunotri, a Indian river. We use tatsam words in holy rituals or in official work and religious talk. Next is Tadbhav bird. Those come from tatsam bird but change over time. For example, Yamuna, the same river name Yamunotri. We say Yamuna in Tadbhav. It sounds simple and used most often. Next word is Desi or Desaj. Local areas word. We don't know where they come from exactly. No evidence, nothing. We are speaking them because they are easy to pronunciate. Like Jamuna. In many places of India, you hear Jamuna to Yamuna, which is known as Yamunotri. Next word is Bideshi. Birds we borrow from other country. We use them as they are, like school, college. We say them just like in English. Unlike many Urdu's word or other countries' word, we mostly use Urdu's word. We use Jindagi in place of Jeevan. These come from the time of British and Mughals. Many people ask me why I use Urdu words. The reason is simple, because we all use this word in our daily conversation. If I only teach you textbooks Hindi, you would not be able to understand Hindi song, Hindi movies or a common simple conversation. That's why I give you lots of synonyms so that you can choose the words according to your preference. The last one is Sankar Shabd. These are mixed words like Sarkari, Karmachari. Sarkari is from Urdu and Karmachari came from Sanskrit. And the English meaning is government employee. You don't need to remember all these things. It's just to help you how Hindi is evolved. The real question is, do you just want to translate English to Hindi, or do you want to really speak Hindi like we do in our daily life? Just learning pure Hindi would not help you to speak Hindi like we do. In present, we speak in English and Hindi words like मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ. So we can say now मैं market जा रही हूँ. We use English word in Hindi sentence. We make small sentences according to our need. For example, in English you will say I didn't understand, please repeat. In Hindi, for formal and official use, you have to say माफ कीजिए मुझे समझ नहीं आया, पुनः बताएं या पुनः बोलें. और you can say माफ कीजिए मुझे समझ नहीं आया, कृपया पुनः बताएं या फिर से बताएं. This is too long sentence. We don't speak like this in real conversation. If I have to say this line to someone, I will say फिर से बताओ, मुझे समझ नहीं आया, क्या बोला. Or if I talk to with my friends in a funny way, I just say and they know I did not understand anything and I am saying to repeat it again. But with your elder pupils or your family members, you can't say and. Then we have word small and sweet. आपने क्या बोला, फिर से बताएंगे. One more example. In English we say go there and get the information. In formal way in Hindi we would say आप वहाँ जाएं और जाकर पता कर लें. But in our daily conversation, when I talking with my friends, I just say वहाँ जाकर देख लो. That's it. If you start talking in English, it will really help you to speak in Hindi. For example, if you want to say I don't have time, in place of saying मेरे पास समय नहीं है और मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है, if you forget the vocabulary words, then you just say मेरे पास time नहीं है. That's enough. And that is okay. We also talk like that. We don't speak proper Hindi or proper English. In present time, we mostly use English. So that's it for today's video. I hope you now understand a bit about Hindi language and why we use different language word and how you should focus on the Hindi that people really speak. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. And you have any Hindi related question, please comment and I will talk to you all in my next video. Tab tak ke liye namaste.